Data illiteracy is already present in many areas of the curriculum, and it is likely, depending on your curricular area, you have already experienced teaching learners core data skills and how to apply them.
Yes, in science, learners carried out an experiment where they used sensors to monitor a growing environment for plants. Then they gathered and analysed the data. Would this be an example of data literacy in the curriculum?
Yes, exactly. Or in a health and well-being lesson, learners may look at tracking physical activity, sleep and nutrition, and analyzing how they affect the body. Or in social studies, learners may study Scottish census data over a period of time, looking for any trends or patterns and then analyzing them.
Once I realised I'd already been teaching data literacy in other curricular areas, I felt more confident. In literacy, finding and using information is one of the experiences for learning core data skills. Here, learners incorporated real-world data, a news story and graphs about fair trade into their creative writing.
Or in numeracy and mathematics, data and analysis, chance and uncertainty, and patterns and relationship are all outcomes for this curricular area. These skills learners learn here are called data skills.
When you realise that data literacy is already evident in the curriculum and that I have experience teaching it, it becomes easier to approach teaching core data skills.
If you found this lesson useful, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this topic. Check out some of the other videos that we've been working on.